Look around you for a moment. Most people are living almost the same life. Wake up, go to work, come home, scroll their phone, sleep, and repeat the same routine again tomorrow. Years pass, but nothing really changes. Dreams stay dreams. And here is the shocking truth. 95% of people will stay average their entire life. Not because they are stupid, not because they don't have talent, but because of a few invisible habits that slowly trap them in an average life. And the scary part is, most people don't even realize it. The first reason is comfort. Human beings love comfort. Comfort feels safe. Comfort feels easy. Comfort feels familiar. But comfort is also dangerous, because growth only happens when you do things that feel uncomfortable. Most people choose the easy path every single day. And those small easy choices slowly build an average life. The second reason is fear of failure. Many people have big dreams, starting a business, learning new skills, building something meaningful. But fear stops them. What if I fail? What will people say? What if I look stupid? So instead of trying, they stay exactly where they are. And slowly, their dreams fade away. The third reason is lack of clear direction. Imagine getting into a car and driving for hours without knowing where you want to go. That's exactly how most people live their lives. No clear goals, no clear plan, no clear purpose. They simply move wherever life pushes them. And without direction, you almost always end up average. The fourth reason is distraction. Today, we live in the most distracted generation in history. Phones, social media, endless entertainment. Hours disappear every day. But the truth is, while some people are scrolling, others are building. While some people are complaining, others are improving. And over time, that difference becomes massive. The fifth reason is lack of discipline. Motivation feels good, but motivation comes and goes. Discipline is what truly changes lives. Discipline is waking up when you don't feel like it. Discipline is working when nobody is watching. Discipline is choosing long-term success over short-term comfort. And most people simply don't develop this habit. So their progress stops before it even begins. But here's the good news. Just because 95% of people stay average doesn't mean you have to. Because escaping an average life is actually simpler than most people think. It just requires a few powerful decisions. First, leave your comfort zone regularly. Growth lives on the other side of discomfort. Try new things, take risks, do things that scare you a little, because every uncomfortable action builds a stronger version of you. Second, create clear goals for your life. If you don't decide where you want to go, life will decide for you. And that destination is usually average. Write down your goals, make them specific, and work toward them every day. Third, control your distractions. Your phone can either destroy your time or build your future. Limit the things that waste your attention. Focus on things that improve your skills, mindset, and knowledge. And finally, build discipline through small daily actions. You don't need a huge transformation overnight. You just need small improvements every day. Read a little more, learn a little more, work a little harder. Those small actions compound over time. And eventually, they create extraordinary results. Because in the end, success is not about being special. It's about doing the things most people refuse to do. So ask yourself one question today. Do you want to live like the 95%? Or do you want to become part of the 5% who create an extraordinary life? The choice is yours.